A body of mass 4m is lying in xy plane at rest. It suddenly explodes into 3 pieces. 2 pieces, each of mass m, move perpendicular to each other with equal speeds v. The total kinetic energy generated due to explosion is. What is the kinetic energy generated due to explosion? We need to find here. Here, we know that this one we can find with the help of the momentum equations. Okay. Given the direction of motion and velocities of particles after the collision, then we can write this one as the total momentum before the collision. We can write this one as 0, and the total momentum after the explosion we can write this one as under root of 2mv minus 2mv1. Then, by conservation of momentum, we know that under root of, that is 2mv minus 2mv1 is equal to 0. Then we can write here the v1 is equal to v divided by under root of 2. Then the total kinetic energy generated, which is equal to 2 into 1 by 2, or that is half mv square plus 1 by 2 into 2m v1 square, which is equal to, we get the answer, mv square plus mv square divided by 2, which is equal to 3 by 2 into mv square. This we can see in the option number 2. Option B is the right answer.